Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to report a missing package on Amazon. If you've been waiting for an order that never showed up, Amazon has a straightforward process to help you get this resolved and either locate your package or receive a refund. To get started, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign into your account. After logging in, look toward the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the toolbar. Click on Returns and Orders. This section gives you access to all your purchase history and any issues related to your deliveries. Once you're in the Returns and Orders section, you'll notice a toolbar at the top. Click on Not Yet Shipped. Now, although I don't have any active orders right now, I'm going to walk you through exactly what you'd see and do next. When you have orders displayed, you'll need to find the specific item that hasn't arrived. Scroll through your recent orders until you locate the missing package. Next to that item, you'll see an option that says Problem with Order. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up Amazon's support menu specifically for that purchase. If Amazon detects delivery issues, you might see an option labeled Where's My Stuff? If that appears, select it, as it's the quickest route to reporting your missing package. Amazon will then guide you through some on-screen prompts. Here you'll need to provide details about the missing package. This includes information like your order number and a description of what didn't arrive. Be as specific as possible to help Amazon or the seller understand the situation clearly. Now, here's something important to note. If your order was fulfilled by a third-party seller rather than Amazon directly, you might see a button that says Send to Merchant. If Amazon directs you to contact the seller first, click that option. This routes your complaint to the seller, giving them a chance to resolve the issue before Amazon steps in. After contacting the seller, Amazon typically requires a waiting period before you can escalate further. This gives the seller time to respond and potentially fix the problem. If the issue remains unresolved after this waiting period, go back to the seller message or claim page. You'll now see a new option appear called View/File Claim. Click on that to proceed with filing an official claim. Amazon will ask you to select the reason that the item was not received. Choose the option that best matches your situation, whether it's marked as delivered but never arrived, lost in transit, or stolen. Once you've selected the appropriate reason, submit the claim. Amazon will then review your case and work toward a resolution, which usually means either sending a replacement or issuing a refund. And that's it. You've successfully reported your missing package on Amazon and set the process in motion to get this resolved. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.